Out here on the job today. The G888 did really good. Just had to set the carb a little bit. It was a little low. But just did my first slab. And one thing to note too, this chain that I got when I bought the bar is square fouled. And when I first used it, I mean, it zigzagged the whole way, but I did take a round foul and just kind of smoothed the square out a little bit. And this definitely helped. Like, it used to look like this, just back to back to back to back to back. But this is a whole lot smoother here. And the shavings are really nice compared to the other day when I was doing it. You could barely see the grain or the figure of the wood. So, and then this is the tree that I was slabbing, and I've cut almost to the pith on the other side, and I started getting a lot of rot. So I flipped this over, and now I'm gonna see how square, because I used my level this time. Seems pretty good. It's got a little high side there. Other than that, I think it's good. I won't know until I cut this next slab. But what I'm doing is I'm cutting slabs to where this bark runs out, because all that right there is rot, and I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna try to sell quality slabs, not slabs where you have to patch up a whole lot. So like this one here, I'm gonna probably hook something here and just roll it over. This is a little bit of burl right there. So that would look good. I honestly don't want it. It's a lot of rot that's inside of there. Then the pith is rotting out a little bit there. So what I'm gonna do is flip that to where it's on the bottom and then just slab it out from there. Got the old trusty top handle Milwaukee out here. All right, just cut the second slab. Well, the first slab, but the second cut, because the first slab is a offcut. which way the wind's wanting to blow. Getting some rot right there. All right, here's the second log. There's the other log that I was cutting right there. So just did my offcut. Let me get my longer. I've got this brush, and I've got this brush. And if you know the detail company called Adams Polishes, this is their brushes. I used to detail cars back in the day, so I'm not the type of person to just throw stuff away. So here I am, still using the brush. Beautiful oak here. I might try to cut some of this bark out right here. And here's to the last slab of the day.